Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about the numeric data types in PostgreSQL. So we will be talking about data types such as integer, numeric data type, real data type, and serial data type. So I will mention the storage size, the description, and the range of each and every data type in detail in the description given below, so you could check it there. So first of all, we're going to speak about the small int, that is the integer data type. So small int can have a value of minus 3 to 767 to 32,767, and it can store 2 bytes of data. So first I'm going to tell you how to declare a small int. So first of all, we're going to make a you can see that we have a table. So I will make one other table, and I will give it test table, you could say, and I will add two columns here. That will be primary key, that is pri, and I will give it a privilege of primary key at a later stage. Data type would be integer data type, normal, and next I will build another column for our testing, that is testing, and data type would vary. First of all, you could see that I will add a small int, so you could see that small int, and when you click OK at the small int, you would see that a small int has been created. Now I would be adding the primary key for this. For that, you can add constraints, add columns. You could go and add pri as the primary key, and now I could add results here. So you would see 1, and if this is a small int number, this has to be in a range of 32,767. So first of all, I will enter 32767, that is the maximum range. It will enter. Now if I enter 8, you would see that it gives me an error that it is out of range for small int. So the next type will be the integer data type that can have value up to 2 billion. So I will mention the range given below, and I will tell you how to declare it. So as you could see, I have a data of small int data type of testing table. Now I will change it to integer data type. So you could just write integer. So with integer, we have a range up to 2 billion. We will just see it now. And if you see that, you will click on 2 and you will enter integer. So the range would be 2147483647. So this is the range. This is the maximum range. Now if I put 8, you would see that it is out of range. So this is the use of integer data type in our column. So next you could be using the big int if you want even bigger data type, that would be till 9 quintillion. So you could use big int in that case. So in the next thing that we're going to talk about is the numeric data type. So it has variable size, and it is used to store decimal values such as the price. So I will tell you how to declare numeric data type. So now as you could see that I will be putting this as the numeric data type. You could put numeric and you will click on OK. So it has created a numeric data type. Now to enter values, you would see that I can put anything such as 45 point something something. So this will store the price data type, or you can store 45.9 with any decimal precision. So this is the use of numeric data type. So next we will speak about the real data type that has 4 bytes of data, and it can store decimals up to 4 digits of decimal places. So you could also use double precision, that will be 8 bytes, and it has 15 decimal precision. I will just show you how to make that kind of a data type. So now we have numeric data type. Now I will change it to real data type, and you could see that real data type gives me provision to store data up to four decimal places, or a precision of 4 decimal places. So you could see that I will enter anything, that is 3, and I will enter 45 point a number that is greater than 4. So you could see it stores now, and you could see that it gives me a 4 decimal precision automatically. So this is the use of the real. If you want it to be a bigger number, or you want more decimal precision than that, you could just add it as double precision. Here it is. So this will give you precision up to 15 decimal places. And lastly, we'll be talking about the serial data type. So first of all, we'll talk about the small serial data type, which is of 2 bytes, and the range is small, and the range is of 32,767 as that of the small in data type. So the role of a serial data type is to basically automatically increment itself. So you will just see it if I use small serial and I click on OK. So you will see that this will increment itself automatically, and I could just enter my values here, and you could see it is automatically incrementing 1 2 3. And if I put anything such as 9, it will automatically increment as 4. Then I put anything as 27, it will automatically increment and automatic increment. So this is the use of the serial data type. So from this tutorial onwards, you will know the actual power of PostgreSQL and what it is capable of. So you could also use the serial data type and the big serial data type of 4 and 8 bytes respectively, and the range of them are of that integer and big integer respectively. So you could see you could just enter properties, and you could just enter serial here to get the serial data type, and if you want the big serial, you can just click on the big serial. So thank you for watching this tutorial, guys. In the next tutorial, I'll talk about the enumeration data type in PostgreSQL. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.